name is Liz and welcome to Nothing But Bags. Hi, my name is Liz and welcome to Nothing But Bags. I call this space Nothing But Bags because when I go somewhere, my outfit is the accessory and my handbag is the main event. Whether this is your first time clicking on one of my videos because this channel was recommended to you, or you're one of my returning fellow handbag addicts, supporters, subscribers, or friends around here, either way, I appreciate that you clicked this video from the bottom of my heart. As you saw the thumbnail on top of this video, this is my unboxing of the viral Free People Baby Emery bag. And I know I'm late. And y'all ain't got to judge me. Y'all ain't got to tell me I'm late. I know I'm late. Why am I late? And I'm just getting my address off another place on this box. So y'all don't, this is the box. My address is on the other side of it. So I'm just going to open the flap from here and take the bag out of the box. I'm late. So a few months ago, I got off of Instagram. And the reason I got off of Instagram, which was my only social media outside of YouTube, was because of all the news media. I just couldn't take it. All that news feed every day, all day long, every 5 minutes, something depressing coming on. I couldn't deal with it. I just couldn't. My mental health could deal with it. So I got off of social media. I got off of TikTok around the election because rumor was TikTok was going away. So I deleted it since it was going away. I'm like, that's one less thing to take up memory off my phone. So I got off of the TikTok and I got off Instagram. And this bag was going viral on the TikTok. So as you know, I've been working with my cousin at her clinic, her urgent care clinic. And I started a TikTok for her business and I've been operating it. And since I've been on for that, that's when I found out about the Emery bag. Please note, I keep calling it the Emery. It's the Emerson bag and how it was going viral. So of course, when I saw the bag going viral, I started looking on social media to see if anybody, not social media, YouTube, to see if anybody had done anything on this. Like, why am I not hearing? I'm just hearing about this bag. Why have I not heard somewhere else besides the TikTok and Instagram about this bag? And so I started looking at videos and I saw one of my favorite YouTubers on here, Fancy Pink Chick, has done an unboxing of this bag. Has not done an unboxing. She did a what's in my bag on this bag before. So she had talked about it. I guess it just went over my head, or I didn't know it was viral. Maybe that was it. And then I saw Autumn Beckman did a video on this bag as well. And Autumn basically, because Autumn is very knowledgeable on handbags, like she knows the history of bags, the history of leathers and all these kind of things. She kind of tore the bag a new one because it's not, top shelf quality, whatever. I didn't expect a bag from Free People to be lambskin, luxury, caviar leather. I didn't go to Free People for that. I would go to Chanel if I wanted lambskin or caviar leather. I would go to Coach if I wanted glove tan leather. I went to Free People because it was Free People. I knew this is a clothing line and this is just them offering some accessories to their customers that buy their clothes that fits in with their aesthetic. And that's just that on that. That's what you buy this kind of bag for. But I love that everybody was talking about it. And I've been following Fancy Pink Chick for quite some time. And she's been very much in her boho era. She's been carrying her Free People bag, her fossil bag. She's been very a bohemian type of, she's a fancy pink chick, but she ain't been a fancy pink chick for the past 3-4 months. She's been the bohemian princess the past 3-4 months. And so this silhouette and this style has been calling me. It's been calling me. If you know New Jack City, it's been calling me. Because of her. And so when I saw the style of bag and I saw everybody talking about it on the TikTok, I was like, well, let me check the bag out. I didn't buy this bag because I was looking for the most luxurious top-notch leather bag. I was looking for a bag that was just fun. Sometimes you need a bag that's just fun, that you can grab because you're going to the nail shop and the nail shop is in a kind of sketchy part of town. Or you need a little cute bag, go to the beauty shop and you got a little running to do and you just want something real, grab and go, whatever, whatever. And that's what this bag is. I will say this bag smells good. I love how it's got the little straps all over the place. It's just very bohemian. It's very free people. If you are a free people clothing person, this is very free people. Smooth zipper, nice interior, got the free people label on the inside. It's got a zipper pocket on the inside. This is the baby Emery. Now, there's another Emery that's larger, but I wasn't finna spend it. This one was $178. I wasn't finna spend $200 some dollars. It wasn't that serious to do an experiment and check this bag out. Be curious, but it is trimmed in leather. The pocket is trimmed in leather. Let me see if it says anything about what kind of stuff this is. It says plain on here it's 100% cow leather. It doesn't say it's lamb skin or anything like that. It says cow leather. It features a little pocket on the front right here and a zipper pocket. Smooth zipper right here. You can put your like AirPods or something in there. And it's got a little pocket on the side here. And my hand can go almost all the way in, like a pocket on your jeans. And it's got another little pocket right here that is a working pocket, again, like a pocket on your jeans. It has a little cinch on the side here, a little buckle cinch there, a little buckle cinch there. It's got, I guess this would be slate colored hardware, I guess. Nice long zipper pull. I already bought, because I knew I was going for a look, right? When I ordered the bag was on back order. And I went on in advance and ordered my charms. I did that in advance. So this is when you're going for a look. Everybody cannot afford to spend $300 and $400 and $500 on no handbag, y'all. Some people are looking for a look, and I'm down with looking for a look. You know what I'm saying? I'm down for that. It's a look. You know what I'm saying? If you're a free people type of person, you like free people clothes, you look, it's a look. And again, like I said, Fancy Pink Chick has had boho vibes going on her channel for a while now. And that's why I wanted this. So I put some little charms on there. I like it. All right, I'm in my Speedy 30 today. So we're going to switch over my things over to there because it doesn't have any structure. But I'm going to put my, I got my Coach, a large wristlet in here with my tech pouch. Throw that in there. I got my mini pochette in there, and this is like my catch-all with my lipstick, chapstick, hand sanitizer, stuff like that. Put that in there. That's my fur baby. He growling because he see a squirrel or something. I got this little pouch wristlet from Coach. This has got my bathroom pouch. This is my bathroom pouch because y'all just come in for the what's in my bag, and all that's in there. You know, got that in there, and now it's got a little structure to it. I got me a little candy pouch in there. And I got me some tushels. All right, got all my stuff in there. Yeah, it's kind of cute. Going for a look. Everybody, look, handbags. Let's have a conversation, handbag addicts. Handbags are supposed to make you happy. I was just watching my girl, Deandra Bolton over at Fashion Without Limitations. I was just watching her channel at the clinic right before I left. And she was showing us this beautiful Givenchy and Sagonia bag that is just perfection. It's like it's not a mint green. It's like a light green. Almost can't tell it's green. It's so light. And she spent all this money and this is a luxury bag. And she's talking about, having a conversation about carrying it versus not carrying it, styling it with things and all this money you spend. Handbags are supposed to be fun. You're supposed to look at your collection when you get up to go out somewhere and be like, now what bag do I feel like today? And it doesn't matter if it's a $3,000 Chanel or if it's a $175 Free People bag. It don't matter. It's about, it also, I'm sorry, it comes with this little, which I need to do something because it needs to turn around, but it's got this little Free People plate on there. It's about, I can put my phone right here on my phone. I'm filming on my phone, but I can probably put my phone right there, my AirPods or keys right there. Child, look, this bag cute. I can't put it right there because my mic is right there. This bag, come on now, Sean. This bag cute to me. Do a mod shot. But it does have another strap. It comes with a removable and adjustable strap. And you can kind of wear this as a crossbody. It's cute. It smells good. It does it feel like caviar leather? Does it feel like caviar leather? Does it feel like lamb skin leather? No, y'all. It's got feet on it. No, it don't feel like that. No, but that ain't what I bought it for. I know where to spend my money. I hope this mic didn't mess up. I know where to spend my money when I want to buy a luxury bag. I know where to go. I got an SA around there to Louis Vuitton. Alidra, shout out to Alidra in Birmingham. I just wanted this because it was fun. Everybody was talking about it. They were dressing up with a bunch of charms and foolishness and foo-la-la. And I was like, I'm going to give me a Free People bag. And I'm very happy with my bag. And I'm going to carry it to work tomorrow. Anyway, if you were thinking about this bag, if you are looking for a very boho chic, very just junk it up kind of deal, nothing luxurious. If you're looking for something inexpensive, that's not super luxurious, but it's just super fun, this where it's at. This right here is where it's at. $178. And I'm just as happy with it as I could be. This color is bark on the website if you wanted to make sure what color I have. They're rolled handles. I know it's cow leather because that's what the thing say on the inside. I know it's the color bark because that's what the website said. This is the baby because I didn't need the big one. I love the color. I love, is this a bag that Tanner Leatherstein need to tear apart and cut up? No, Tanner. Leave the Emerson alone. We don't need to know if this made a good quality stuff. Some bags should just be fun. And this bag to me just screams fun. I like how soft and it just puddled on my desk. I like how it just puddles on my desk. I like this. I think it's cute. I'm going to wear it to work tomorrow, to the clinic tomorrow. So if you're thinking about this bag, if you're looking for a top shelf, 5-star luxury, Hermes quality, Chanel quality, Louis leather quality, even Coach glove tan leather quality, go to around there to Hermes, Chanel, Louis, and Coach and grab one of them bags. If you just want something really boho chic, if you are a chick that loves, like I do, Free People clothes and their aesthetic, this is a bag that you would really like. And it's not super expensive and it smells wonderful and it's carrying my stuff. Now, how this is going to wear over time, y'all, I don't know. I just took it out the box. I don't know what the wear is. But I have 70 bags around 70 bags in my collection. So I don't carry any of my bags enough to tear them up. But I'm very happy I got this bag. I think it's beautiful. This bag cute as it could be. I'm so glad Fancy Pink Chick is in her boho era and convincing us about fool-la-la like this. I love this bag. Anyway, drop down in the comments and tell me, had you considered the Free People Emery bag in either the baby size or the large size? Do you have the bag? How do you like it? Were you considering purchasing it and just were on the fence about it? Drop down in the comments and let's, like my boo Simply D says, let's chop it up. And the only other thing that I'll ask of you is that you have an absolutely wonderful day.